Okay, this is the scope Nebraska Medical Center sending for air water problem. This is the GIF-H180 with serial number 2704481. Okay. Now I'm trying to test the air water. This is the original button sent by the customer, and the air water bottle sent by the customer. Okay, for putting in the adapter for the air water bottle, you need to put it this way and then turn 90 degrees and push it in. And you can feel the air coming out from here already. And by looking at the the water output, the Olympus OEM spec is like 24 ml. We test on this scope already, and the output is about 50 ml, which is like a very good output. And you can see the air right here, very strong air too. So basically, this scope, the air water function of this scope is working perfectly. You can see by the stream of the water stream to the lens is very strong. By removing the bottles, same thing, in order to have not to twist the water inlet port, you take out the adapter and then turn 90 degrees before you take it out. When you put it in, straight like this, turn 90 degrees before you put it in. Take out, same thing. Okay. By looking at the bottle adapter, the O-ring here is somewhat cracked a little bit, but is still usable. Will not affect the air, water, and outcome. But just want to give you guys a heads up. You know, this adapter is worn out. Sooner or later, you need to replace the adapter. Okay.
Thank you.